In today's video, I'll be talking about the transactional closing process, or the steps to follow when closing a sale with MegaWorld Manila. Here are the 4 easy steps you can follow when you are closing a sale. Step 1 is the presentation. Your client can choose from any of the available MegaWorld condo homes as their investment. They have the option to choose one of our pre-selling projects or ready for occupancy projects that are located all over the country, and one of our investment alternatives or the condotel. You can invite them to our showroom anytime to finalize the ownership process. Present to them the project of their choice and let them choose the unit they prefer from our latest inventory. Step 2 is the collection of reservation fees. There are different ways to reserve a unit the client prefer. At MegaWorld Manila, we only accept the following. Number 1, cash payments. We accept dollar or peso. Number 2, check payment. Debit or credit card payment. We only accept Visa, MasterCard, UnionPay, JCB, and American Express. If the client will pay using the credit card but the client is out of the country or in the province, the client can pay through online booking or through Acquire. Number 4, online transfer. Screenshots of money transfer should be submitted to Business Center. And number 5, if over-the-counter payment is made, copy of bank deposit slip should be submitted. Marketing assistants will prepare acknowledgement receipt upon receiving the client's proof of payment. Step 3. Completion of reservation requirements. Once the client is paid, approach one of our friendly marketing assistants and get a printout of the following: buyer's information sheet, request for reservation and offer to purchase form, unit and floor plan layout, and a copy of the investment plan or the computation for the unit the client prefers. You may also obtain these copies from our portal. Make sure the client completely signs these documents. Here are some reminders when filling out the BIS. You need to make sure you have the correct BIS form for an individual or corporate purchase. Please accomplish 5 copies of BIS. Ensure that all fields are filled out and the name and signature of the client are attached. The marital status of the client should also be specified. If married, your client should provide the complete name of their spouse. There should also be a signature of both the principal owner and spouse. The address should also be updated and complete. And the email address, contact numbers of the client should be active, because this is the only way our head office can directly communicate with the client. Both foreigners and locals should have a TIN number upon investing in a condo home. For clients who are not married but would like to buy as co-owners, each party should submit a completely filled out BIS. For example, if there are 2 owners, there should be 2 sets of BIS, one for each owner. For married clients, ensure that both the principal and the spouse have signed all documents. All copies should have original signatures. For married clients but with different surname, a marriage certificate is needed as additional requirements. For change, updates of address, client should fill out a new set of BIS with new updated address and it should be signed. Verbal advice is not acceptable. For the RROP, here are some reminders when filling out the form. There are 4 types of RROP: Megaworld Pre-Selling, Megaworld RFO, the Manila Bayshore, and Jerry RROP forms. Make sure you have the right RROP for the project the client prefers. There should be 5 copies of RROP for each condo unit purchase. There should be 5 copies of RROP for each parking slot purchase. The date of sale is important. Do not forget to fill this out. RROP contains the project details, payment computation, discount scheme, and turnover date. Follow the terms of payment in the final investment computation and transfer the information to the RROP accordingly. Down payment should be completely settled 30 days after the date of sale. Due date of the next payment, whether it is the first monthly amortization, down payment, balance down payment, or balance total contract price, shall be due 30 days after the last payment was made. For example, reservation fee was paid August 13, 2022. Payment of the next balance due will be on September 15, 2022. For married clients, ensure that both the principal and spouse have signed all 5 copies. Step 4. Submission of identification documents. For locals, original copy of government-issued ID with a picture and 3 specimen signatures. Identification cards that are accepted as follows: passport, UMD, professional licenses, driver's license, and PhilHealth, Pag-ibig, or SSS ID. For foreigners, a photocopy of their passport and 3 specimen signatures. Buying Megaworld Manila condo home is really easy. Be able to complete the requirements and submit them to our business center. Once this is processed, the sale is closed and final. Congratulations! You are now ready to book your first sale. Until our next training video, happy selling and God bless.